In this video, I'll be sharing my insights along with proof and a practical guideline to help you come up with fun, engaging game ideas. So let's get straight into it. The key to a great game idea lies in balancing player emotions to create wonder. By this, I mean mastering the art of conveying and balancing emotions to create an unforgettable gaming experience for your players. Most game genres by default have emotions they convey. For example, a rage game is intentionally designed to make players angry, and a puzzle game is intentionally designed to make players think. Players are aware of this, and so what will make your game stand out from the rest is making the player feel a whole new sensation when they interact with your game. For example, standing alone in the middle of a dark forest with a horrific spider train lurking around evokes fear in players, while escaping the creature from your train while rapidly shooting at it is thrilling. Another example is with Stardew Valley, which makes players feel a sense of calm and slight tension. The game's design gives players so much freedom while equally compelling them to do as much as possible in as little time as possible. Curveballs takes the tension from a prison break and merges it with a sense of community. This makes players think about the possibilities. Exploration games intrigue players with their storytelling and make them emotional with your art. Take Grease and the First Tree for example. Even a game as minimalistic as Thomas Was Alone makes players think while including a cozy satisfactory feeling with the story and music. Inscription nicely blends the heat of a standard strategy game with a sense of horror. How then do we come up with such great game ideas? 1. Pick a genre. As earlier mentioned, genres have a base feeling they convey, so pick one. Some of the best options are puzzle, strategy, horror, and rage. 2. Figure out how players usually react to this genre. Puzzle and strategy games will make players think. Horror games obviously scare players, and rage games anger players. 3. Establish the unique selling point. The unique selling point is what sets your game apart from other games in the genre. For a puzzle game, the unique selling point might be a mechanic, for example, portals, telekinesis, magnetism, time, and gravity control. For a strategy game, it might be a rule all players must follow. For a horror game, it might be a character, and for a rage game, it might be delicate controls or unfair events. 4. Cultivate an aim. Figure out the aim of the game. For example, the aim of Thronefall is to build and defend your kingdom. 5. Write down the idea. Use this Jonas Tyrola formula for writing your game idea down. Fantasy is the aim, and verbs describe the primary functions of the player. For example, Cage is a horror game about escaping an AI prison. You explore environments and use your telekinetic abilities to escape. 6. Add a new feeling. You need to introduce a whole new feeling. For example, you can introduce slightly complex puzzles or rich mechanics to the Cage idea. Just be careful not to overdo it. Keep your ideas simple, keep creating. Feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. This is it for this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.